Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Pudili, Professor of Management and Economics. I am doing a series of videos on capital structure theories. In this video, I am dealing with traditional theory of capital structure or traditional approach. Capital structure theories, traditional theory or traditional approach. There is a viewpoint that strongly supports the close relationship between leverage and value of a firm. In other words, it supports that there existed an optimal capital structure. The optimum capital structure may be defined as the capital structure or combination of debt and equity that leads to the maximum value of the firm. There is an equally strong body of opinion which believes that financing mix or the combination of debt and equity has no impact on the shareholders' wealth, and the decision on financial structure is irrelevant. In other words, there is nothing such as optimum capital structure. These views are reflected in capital structure theories. Important capital structure theories include 1. Net income theory or net income approach. 2. Net operating income theory or net operating income approach. 3. Modigliani and Miller theory or approach. And 4. Traditional theory or traditional approach. Let us now deal with traditional theory or traditional approach. The traditional approach is midway between the net income and net operating income approaches. It partakes of some features of both these approaches. It is also known as the intermediate approach. The effect of increase in leverage from zero on cost of capital and valuation of the firm can be explained in three distinct phases according to traditional approach. Phase 1, increased valuation and decreased overall cost of capital. During the first phase, increasing leverage increases the total valuation of the firm and lowers the overall cost of capital. Since debt is typically a cheaper source of capital than equity, the effect of increased leverage or increased use of debt is that the overall cost of capital begins to fall. Phase 2, constant valuation and constant overall cost of capital. After a certain degree of leverage is reached, further moderate increases in leverage have little or no effect on total market value. During the middle range, the changes brought in equity capitalization rate and debt capitalization rate balance each other. As a result, the values of V and KO remain almost constant. Phase 3, decreased valuation and increased overall cost of capital. Beyond a certain critical point, further increases in debt proportions are not considered desirable. They increase financial risks so much that both cost of equity capital KE and cost of debt KI start rising rapidly, causing overall cost of capital KO to rise and value of the firm V to fall. In this slide, I have given graphical presentation of traditional theory. In this diagram, on x-axis, I have taken degree of leverage, and on y-axis, I have taken cost of equity capital, cost of debt, and overall cost of capital in terms of percentage on y-axis. We can observe that in first phase, with the increase in degree of leverage, overall cost of capital is falling and value of the firm is increasing. In the second phase, we can observe that with the increase in degree of leverage, overall cost of capital KO and value of the firm V remains constant. In the third phase, we can observe that with the increase in degree of leverage, overall cost of capital increases and value of the firm decreases. We can also observe that cost of equity capital KE and cost of debt KI are increasing in the graph. Dear students, in this video, I had explained about traditional theory or traditional approach on capital structure. Thank you.